Point to yourself and say, I am getting bigger. I am getting bigger. Hey. Okay. Yes, sir. I'm living for His glory, I'm on fire every day. Nothing can stop me, doesn't matter what I face. I am getting bigger every day. Every day I have Jesus in my life.
Jesus in my life. Living for His glory, I'm on fire every day.
Yes, sir.
Nothing can stop me, doesn't matter what
I am getting bigger every day. Is that your declaration tonight? I have Jesus in my life. Oh, la, 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 la. Not by might, not by power, but by the Spirit of the living God. Anything is possible. We're bigger than we used to be. We have moved. I say we have moved. Not by power, not by power.